All right, up early, about to head to the shop. It is like, it just turned to 7 o'clock. It's not really early, but I want this engine out of the car and I want this car built.
One hour later.
He said he was hungry, so I just panicked. That's all I made for you. Okay.
I pretty much got this all figured out. So, I know I've been going crazy, but I think I got it figured out. Hopefully it works. Don't try this at home.
Your cheek or your tooth?
Eventually.
This is like day, I don't know what, of trying to get, let me turn the music off. Okay, so I forgot what day it is on working on this project, but I do know that I'm relatively close to getting it done.
Perfect. I did some shit where I've got it able to record for like 5 hours.
Breathe out of here.
Do the explanation walkthrough.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, I'm not taking over today. Y'all got lucky. Next episode, your boy is here. You're gonna be hearing about my boxes. So we're gonna finish helping him out with his box. Catch y'all in like 2 seconds.
Who's that help for me this weekend? Bro, fire! Was it? I heard it was. I'm telling you that shit is fucking jumping, bro. Bulldozers to Home Goods was packed.